did you want her ring?
No. 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 Get the roach. Get the roach.
Who is Bernice?
Is she in the shelter?
Or
Is she in the shelter?
who is Bernice?
She's another woman that I'm seeing.
It's another woman you're seeing.
Okay.
Did she have something to do with the ring?
One time as a... Not really as a joke, I was like, hey, I got this ring.
What do you got? What do you got?
Is that the truth?
Well, I pretended around like I proposed to her or not, but it didn't. I never proposed.
You want the truth.
I want the truth.
Well, here's what Bernice had to say.
I met Pablo on a dating website 6 months ago. He started messaging me. He was very aggressive. The first day, he was like, hey, let's meet up. His profile said he was single and looking for a relationship. He came off as a big flirt, very friendly and outgoing. He started getting serious 3 months ago. Me and Pablo were intimate, maybe once a week. I was starting to fall in love with him. One night, 2 months ago, Pablo took me out to dinner. And it was great. And I was honestly shocked that I did not say yes to his proposal. I said no, and I was upset about it. And